Namaste. I Jeevan Shobha Kumari, Assistant Professor in Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur, Faculty of Agriculture Veterinary Science. Today I deliver a lecture on this topic soil colloids in organic. Introduction. The word colloids is derived from Greek word kola, meaning glue, and eos, meaning like. The colloid state refers to a two-phase system in which one phase in a very finely divided state is dispersed through a second continuation medium. The continuous medium is termed as dispersion medium when the dispersed phase is solid. Example soil colloids, particle and dispersion medium is water. Soil water. The colloidal system is referred to as soil. The seat of chemical activity in the soil is the soil colloid. Properties of soil colloids. First one, size. Colloidal particles are generally smaller than 1 micrometer in diameter. Since the clay fraction of soil is 2 micrometer and smaller, not all clay is strictly colloidal, but even the larger clay particles have colloids-like properties. Colloidal particles can be seen only by using electron microscope. Surface area. Soil colloids are minute and therefore have a large surface area per unit mass. The external surface area of 1 gram of colloidal clay is 1000 times that of 1 gram of coarse sand. Surface charge of colloidal particle. Soil colloids also carry electrostatic charge, anion, cation. Most of the inorganic soil colloids carry a negative charge. When an electric current is passed through a suspension of soil colloid particle, they migrate to anode, the positive electrode indicating that they carry a negative charge. Adsorption of cation. The minute silicate clay colloidal particles are called micelles, microcells. Ordinary carry negative charge. Consequently, attract and attach the ion of positive charge on the colloidal surface. These give rise to an ionic double layer. Adsorption of water. A large number of water molecules are associated with the soil colloidal particle. Some water molecules are carried by adsorbed cation and the cation is said to be hydrated state. Some silicate clay hold numerous water molecules as well as cation packed between the plates that make up the clay micelles. Cohesion. Attractive force between similar molecules or material are called cohesion. Cohesion indicates the tendency of clay particles to stick together. This tendency is due to attraction of clay particle for water molecule held between them. Factor that influence the formation of soil. Adhesion. Attractive force between different molecules or material are called adhesion. Adhesion refers to the attraction of colloidal material to the surface of any other body of substance with which it comes in contact, swelling and shrinkage. Some soil clay colloids belonging to smectite group like Montmorillonite swell. Montmorillonite is a silicate mineral expanding type 2 and 1 ratio, swell when wet and shrink when dry. After a prolonged dry spell, soil highest smectite clay, example black soil vertisols, often shows crisscross wide and deep cracks. These crisscross wide and deep cracks, these properties have which one soil? Black soil. Black soil also known as vertisols. These cracks first allow rain to penetrate rapidly. Later, because of the swelling, the cracks will close and become impervious. impervious. But soil dominated by kaolinite Kaolinite is a silicate mineral 2:1:1 but is non-expanding type mineral. Chloride or fine-grained micas do not swell or shrink. Vermiculite is intermediate in its swelling and shrinking characters. Dispersion and flocculation of soil colloids. As long as the colloidal particles remain negatively charged, they repel each other and the suspension remains stable. If on any account they lose their charge of any magnitude of charge is reduced, the particle coalesce from flock or loose aggregate and settle down. These phenomena of coalescence or formation of flocks is known as a flocculation. The reverse process of breaking up of flocks into individual particles is known as a deflocculation or dispersion. Brownian movement of colloidal particle. When a suspension of colloidal particle is examined under a microscope, the particle seems to oscillate. The oscillation is due to the collision of colloidal particle or molecules with those of the liquid in which they are suspended. Solid colloidal particles with those of water in which they are suspended are always in a constant state of motion called Brownian movement. The smaller the particle, the more rapid is its movement. Next, non-permeability. These are the character of colloids. Colloids, as opposed to crystalloids, are unable to pass through a semi-permeable membrane. Classification of soil colloids. Soil colloids can be broadly classified into two types depending on the nature of the linkage present and the types of compound formed. These are the inorganic colloids or organic colloids. Both inorganic and organic colloids are intimately mixed with the other soil solids. Thus, the bulk of soil solids are essentially inert. The majority of the soil physically and chemically character is the result of the colloids present. Inorganic soil colloids, layer of aluminosilicate which consists of thin layer of repeated structural units. These are dominant clay mineral in temperate region. Amorphous aluminosilicate that form from volcanic ash. Aluminum and iron oxide which may be crystalline or amorphous. These are the common in subtropical and tropical region. Inorganic soil colloids, layer of aminosilicates, silica tetrahedral. Layer of aminosilicates, the most important silicate clay are known as phyllosilicates because of their leaf or plate-like structure. Two types, phyllo means leaf-like. Two types of structure unit are basic in layer lattice structure. Most clay minerals that are tetrahedral and octahedral units. Tetra means 4, octa means 8. Silica tetrahedral. The tetrahedral units of silica in which silicon ion is equidistant from 4 oxygen ions. It is called silica tetrahedron because of its 4-sided configuration. Many tetrahedra are linked together horizontally by shade of oxygen ions gives a tetrahedral sheet. Inorganic soil colloids, silica tetrahedron. The tetrahedral unit is silica in which silicon ion is equidistant from the 4 oxygen ion. Shown in figure, it is called silica tetrahedron because of its 4-sided configuration. Many tetrahedrals are linked together horizontally by shared oxygen ion gives a octahedral sheet. Organic colloids include highly decomposed organic matter generally called humus. Humus is an organic colloids. Humus amorphous like structure. Organic colloids are more reactive chemically, generally have a greater influence on soil property per unit weight than inorganic colloids. Humus is amorphous and its chemical and physical characteristics are not well defined. The organic colors particularly vary in size, but they may be at least as small as the silicate clay particle. They are not stable as a clay, and they more dynamic, being formed and destroyed more rapidly than clay. Thank you.